An overview of connectivism learning theory. Connectivism was first introduced in 2004 on a blog post which was later published as an article in 2005 by George Siemens. It was later expanded in the same year by two publications, Siemens Connectivism Learning as a Network Creation and Downs, An Introduction to Connective Knowledge. According to Siemens and Downs, connectivism begins when a person turns to digital technology to solve a problem. This can include actions such as Googling, texting a friend, or searching for a topical social media content. Connectivism learning theory posits that the use of digital technology helps to solve a problem and in turn deepens the understanding of a topic. In learning theory, connectivism accepts technology as a major factor in our learning process. In fact, this learning promotes the idea that learning can successfully happen through digital channels, including social media, forums, videos, and blogs. Connectivism is built on the idea that digital technology brings people together and creates new learning opportunities. Although connectivism is among the more recent learning theories, it's already transforming workplace training practices, with today's workforce moving towards remote work and remote learning. Connectivism provides a framework for learning and development to rethink existing processes and training. What does connectivism look like in the classroom? From a learner-centered teaching perspective, connectivism provides opportunities for students to make choices about their learning. Connectivism promotes group collaboration and discussion, allowing for different viewpoints and perspective to aid in problem solving, decision making, and making sense of information. Learning begins with the individual and how it's spread outward through construction or development of a learning network. Connectivism is a combined effort of complex learning theory, the importance of network, and the interplay of complexity and self-organization. Learning and knowledge rest in the diversity of information and opinion. Its strength includes the ability to see the connections between fields, ideas, and concepts. Memory has less a role. Unlike other learning theories that make use of prior knowledge, connectivism values the distribution of knowledge, which is continuously evolving and changing. The transfer of learning depends on how the individual use technological skills to find the necessary information. And in this theory, learning is complex because it is rapidly changing and updating. The principles of connectivism are as follows. 1. Learning and knowledge rest in diversity of opinions. 2. Learning is a process of connecting information from specialists. 3. Learning may reside in non-human appliances. 4. The capacity to know more is more critical than what is currently known. 5. Connections are needed to facilitate continual learning. 6. Ability to see connections between information is a core skill. 7. Decision making is itself a learning process. In a nutshell, connectivist learning works best when people are able to collaborate. Collaborative learning builds on the ideas of connectivism learning theory, including social interaction, ongoing knowledge exchange, and the seeking information through digital channels. And that concludes my report. Thank you and God bless.